Hello, my name is Noble, lead developer on BePro Listings plugin, and I'm here to show you how to install and configure the plugin. Today we're on the wordpress.org page where you can download the plugin for free. Specifically, we're on the installation tab, and we're going to follow these instructions one by one. 5 of them are required, and the others are optional. So let's get started. First instruction asks us to install the plugin. So we'll go ahead and click New. Plugins, Add New menu. We'll search for BePro Listings and we will install it. Second instruction says that we should click Activate, so we'll go ahead and do that. Next instruction sends us to the BePro Listings menu, and specifically the Options submenu. We should get acquainted with the options available for BePro Listings. This is your opportunity to configure the directory the way you want it. If you're interested in featuring cost information or not, how many images you like to see on listings, how you like your forms to work, etc. Our next instruction is that we keep the Ajax on option selected under the Search Listings tab. So let's look for that. And we can verify here that it was selected by default. The point of the Ajax on feature is to keep the search, listings, and details all on one page, simplifying the experience compared to having the search features on one page and the listings on a different page, a distributed setup that you see even in examples like Google. The next instruction suggests that we allow people to find and interact with the listings. And to do that, we recommend using the BL all-in-one shortcode and putting it in a page called Listings. Now remember, you can create a page, you can create a post, you can do anything you want. We just recommend you create a page called Listings for ease of use, ease of reading, and put this shortcode in it. If you're not sure what a shortcode is, I strongly suggest that you take a look at our BePro Listings shortcode documentation. We have video details regarding what our shortcodes are, the options that are available, etc. We already created a page called Listings, so in this particular case I'm going to go ahead and edit it. What you'll notice in this page, for example purposes, is that there's nothing in it. There's nothing in the content area, and we use the text versus visual for various reasons, but most importantly to keep things as simple as possible and avoid the input of special characters that we're not interested in seeing. So this is what the listings page looks like. This is the content area and there's nothing in it, so this is what we expected. Let's go ahead and put the BL all-in-one shortcode. Update this page. And we're going to expect now to see several features created because of this shortcode. So we'll go ahead and refresh the listings page, and we're going to see Google Maps, ability to search the listings. These categories were here from before. I'll show you how to create these in a second. And this listing is created by the plugin on installation. Now, every listing in BePro Listings has its own page. You can control that from the admin. Under the BePro Listings menu, the Add New menu, and I mentioned a minute ago about the categories, and you would manage that here. The next instruction is optional. We recommend that you use widgets to also allow users to interact with your listings. In this particular case, we're going to use the search filter, and we're going to add it to our listing search bar. You might not have a listing search bar. This is available because of the theme we're using. Each theme is going to have different sidebars. You need to add the widget to the sidebar that makes the most sense. In this case, we have Ajax turned on, so we don't need to worry about URL forwarding or any configurations for this widget. So we'll just leave it as is. We'll refresh this page, and we'll expect in the sidebar here, in the WordPress sidebar, to see an extra search feature available. Now all BePro Listings search features and shortcodes work together if they're on the same page. So information put here in the search filter will affect the information that shows up on the maps. It will affect the categories that are available and the resulting search listings. The next instruction talks about allowing users to submit listings to your directory. Not everyone is interested in this, especially since you can manage your own listings from the WordPress admin. But for those that would like to have an open directory, you'd create another page. We suggest, again, submit a listing, and you'd put this shortcode in the page. In this particular case, again, we already have a page designated for this. We've put the shortcode in there, and the result is a front-end submission form. Again, all these shortcodes have options regarding how they work and how they interact with your website, so we strongly suggest that you check out our shortcode documentation. The next instruction recommends that you check out our add-ons. We have over 18 add-ons available. We have 5 themes and growing. These allow you to extend your directory features with real estate, vehicles, another niche information, review capabilities. We also have bundles for further discounts that you can take advantage of. These help to make your directory experience more unique. The last instruction is that you consider creating a listing, a template file for your listing pages, and the instructions for how to do this are on our documentation page. So again, we invite you to visit beprosoftware.com, view our documentations, view our add-ons, and figure out the best way to customize BePro listings for your needs.